Hey guys, today we're 3D printing and painting up some Halloween figurines. And I've said previously, when you're looking for stuff to resin 3D print, busty ladies seems to always be the number one thing out there. So let's indulge in that, and both of these 3D models are available for free to download. The Witch has been designed by Supportless Mini, and the Ghost Lady has been designed by Starbon Z, and you'll find the links to both of these in the description below. And as you can see, I've printed these off quite small, but resin 3D printing still manages to get incredible detail, and they look absolutely exceptional. Of course, these would also look really good bigger as well, but they are just incredible quality. And as I've seen from all resin 3D models, they've certainly got a lot of curves, which look good, I gotta say, on a resin 3D print compared to your traditional plastic 3D print, which just wouldn't look as good as this. However, I will always say with these videos about resin 3D prints that it is dangerous. The resin in its liquid form is toxic. It gives off toxic fumes, and it's also a pain in the ass to clean up and makes a lot of mess, and you cannot put this stuff down the drain. But I certainly cannot argue with the results. These look absolutely phenomenal, and the quality looks like you've got them from some sort of factory somewhere. It really does look incredible. And if you're looking to actually make some proper Halloween decorations, I'd recommend checking out my video on the Scooby Gang who've been turned into skeletons. And that truly is the best example of resin 3D printing because they just are unique and they look so cool. But anyway, here is the final results. So I've cleaned them up as best I could, and then I've given them a black spray paint along with a red base. And overall, I think this ends up looking really good. Of course, you could go for full color here and absolutely paint these and make them look incredible. But I want something to look nice and simple, but also kind of elegant. And I think these both came out surprisingly well. There's definitely some pitting visible where the support's connected to the model, and I did heat them up in hot water to try and avoid that, but I've not learned how to fully avoid that just yet. But certainly I'm still enjoying my exploration into resin 3D printing, and doing stuff like this is just learning more and more about it. And I'm getting better and better at limiting the waste and limiting the damage to the actual models with supports. I will also note that the witch's hat did break off as well when I was taking the supports off, which was a pain, but indeed it is, extremely thin at this size. And I was able to glue it back on. You can still totally see it, but it's not quite easy to see. So that is it, and they look absolutely superb.